Honda has upgraded its flagship hybrid sedan for 2021 by giving it a slightly updated look, better driving technology, and more safety features. In terms of design, most of the changes have been made to the car's front. The face now looks a bit more elegant and less cluttered, courtesy of a wider, restyled chrome grille that flows into the headlamp design. Visually, all of the changes are concentrated at the front. There's a wider and deeper grille with chrome highlights for the horizontal slats, plus smaller fog light pods. The LED headlights have now been improved and now cast their illumination wider and further down the road. There are also new alloy wheel designs with 19-inch rims added to the top-spec hybrid models. Inside, Honda's 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system has been made standard across all trims of the Accord, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The front USB ports have been repositioned to the front of the center console for easier access, while higher trims get additional twin USB ports for rear passenger seats. Significantly, the 2021 Accord will get an update to the company's two-motor hybrid system for a more direct and immediate throttle response. There is 209 bhp of max power for the taking and 314 Nm of torque. Under the hood, there are three engine options to be made available: 1.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder unit, 2.0-litre DOHC IV-Tech motor, and a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder with 10-speed auto transmission box.